How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your Royal Kludge M3 mouse. So of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you got the software for your Royal Kludge mouse. And from there, we want to apply the following setting. Now, basically for the DPI, this is completely up to you or for the user preference, but generally you want to use 800 and 1600 or 1200 and basically just in between, because this is the most common for balance control. Basically most people use 800, even professional players, so you want to see which one works best for you. Now for the polling rate, you want to set this to 1000 or 4000. For casual use, I suggest selecting 1000 hertz. But if you're more onto the pro player scene, or if you want to grind out your games, you want to set this to 4000. But take note that this will actually consume a more CPU resource and more battery health from your mouse, so you have to keep that in mind. For the lift off distance, you want to set this to 1 millimeters or 2 millimeters. This allows us for quick lifting without the cursor jumping. So this is really important, especially if you want to do flicks. For the debounce time, set it to 2 to 4 millisecond, which is lower, basically is faster, but 0 ms can cause double clicking, so you want to choose 2 to 4 milliseconds. For motion sync, you want to turn it off. Now for some hardware and usage tips, basically for the connection, you want to use the 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle for the best balance of speed and convenience. Basically, the wired can offer results, but it's not as good as the 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle. For the DPI button, you can set different presets like 800, 1600, 1200, 2000, 3200, so on and so forth. Basically, with this setup, it allows us to change or jump in between DPI settings. For the sensor, the PO 3950 supports up to 42,000 DPI, which if you overclocked it, but the competitive players usually stick to lower DPIs, once again around 800 to 1600. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.